a generous heart there. Sponsor, guys. I need sponsor. I really, really need your help. I really need your help. I don't have money, guys. I'm so empty. I don't have money. I'm zero balance. Later, I'm gonna. I don't know. I'm gonna search for. I'm gonna search where the money is now. I'm gonna wonder where I can find money. I'm gonna go to the town and maybe search for uh, passengers. Some of the livery. Thank you so much for all of the support. And guys, I'm gonna end this live now. Thank you so much again, again and again and again. I will never gonna um getting tired of uh, saying thank you to all of you. Because if you're not there, you're not here, guys. So thank you so much, especially to all of my sponsors, all of my channel members, all of my um uh mm, subscribers, especially in Telegram, previous and present now. Thank you so much, guys, for all of your support. You can follow me in Telegram, guys. You can follow me in Telegram, and you can WhatsApp me. You can follow me in my Twitter account. Just search Mr. Sleepy Guy. And you know, my ponies having a problem again. There's a weird line on my phone. It's not broken, but there's a weird line. What the fuck? It's weird. It's just one line. It's just one line, but it's weird. It's not good for my phone. Guys, I'm gonna end this live now. 10 people, shout out. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for all of your support. No, thank you so much. Thank you. I love you all, guys. Have a good day to all of you. Good evening to all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please subscribe and please don't get tired on supporting me. I love you all. Take care all. Take care, guys. Love you. The audience, yeah. All of my subscribers, thank you. Sweet Cherry. I hope you're fine now. And before I forget, let's pray again. Let's pray for the safety uh, of American friend in California.